frogs by the pond one sunny day. Jump, 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 they hop and play. Splash goes the water, plop, plop sound. Happy little frogs all jumping around. Lily pads float, flowers bloom, dragonflies dance and birds go zoom. Four little frogs hop left and right, green and bouncy, what a sight. Jump in the water, cool and deep. Croak, 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 they never sleep. Sunshine sparkles on the pond so blue. Little fish wiggle as the frogs hop too. Three little frogs jump very high, touch the clouds up in the sky. Down they land with a funny plop. Jumping frogs just never stop. Reeds and cattails sway in the breeze. Butterflies flutter over the trees. Two little frogs dance toe to toe. Fast little jumps, then jump real slow. Splashy splash in the shiny pond, laughing together, happy and fond. Turtles peek from behind the stones, singing along with tuneful tongues. One little frog jumps all alone. Ribbit, ribbit, a bubbly tone. He jumps and spins with a funny grin, waiting for friends to jump back in. Dragonflies hover, bees buzz near. Little frog laughs, full of cheer. Five little frogs are back again. Jump, 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 shout hooray then. Splashing, hopping, fun all day. Jumping frogs in the pond say yay! Mama frog smiles, watching them play. Sunset colors dream the day. All the pond animals cheer and sing. Happy little frogs, what joy they bring.